Let's take a look at problem number 12. It says solve a literal equation for one of the variables. Solve the formula for the given variable. So let's refresh our memory on the steps. So solving a formula for a variable. We have our note up at top. At any step, combine like terms and combine numbers. Step 1, get rid of parentheses. We do this via the distributive property. Step 2, get rid of fractions. And we multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with the variable we are solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. Step 4, if the variable we are solving for is in 2 or more terms, factor it out. And step 5, divide both sides by what is in front of / back of the variable we're solving for. Now those 5 steps will solve any formula for a variable that you'd run across in the algebra classes, intermediate algebra, college algebra, elementary. It will also solve everything you run across in general chemistry and probably the regular physics class, not the engineering physics. It'll start failing in Chem 1 and, of course, engineering physics. So let's take a look at this problem using those steps. So problem number 12. Got y equals mx plus b, and we're solving it for x. First step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step, get everything with the variable we're solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. When I say everything, I'm talking about terms. So we're going to get everything with an x on one side and everything else on the other side. So I'll take the b over to the left side. It becomes negative. Now the fourth step says that the variable you're solving for is in 2 or more terms. It's only in one term on the right side. Terms are separated by pluses and minuses. The last step, divide both sides by what's in front of / back of the variable you're solving for. Solving for x, there's an m in front of it. So we're going to divide both sides by m. Those m's going to cancel. And we get x is equal to y minus b over m, unless they split them into separate fractions. So y minus b over m looks like a. So a is our answer.